I'm back after a long and wonderful Labor Day. I think it's Labor Day today. It's been a long day. But I have the most exciting news. Number one, I've gotten a lot done on this little bar stool. But the most exciting thing is, and I have a shadow on me, which that's okay. At least I'm not a ghost. But my daughter and Jamie suggested I put a different app on my phone for recording my videos. And I think it's gonna work. It's not turning me into a ghost, and I think it looks like it's working really well. So this is sort of an experiment, but I was gonna show you that you saw before I finished the top, the little sides. I've been working on let's see if I can show you. I've been working on the little flowers, the little tulips around the edge, and I didn't do that live because I'm still a little nervous painting flowers, and I'm not 100% confident in what I'm doing, and I'm going to turn a light around. Maybe that's what's making the shadow. Oh, that helped. I didn't need that light. Okay. I'm not 100% confident of my flowers, so I just worked on them. They're on here. They look okay. I got a long way to go in learning how to paint flowers, but I did a little royal squares up at the top. This is the blue sky that I'm going to put the celestial circles to look like little clouds that are in the sky above my tulips, and then the green is the grass beneath the tulips. So it's coming along. I'm gonna start doing, I've got to finish painting the insides of the legs. I already started. I've got this beautiful peacock color inside on two sides, and then on the other two sides I'm doing the same turquoise that I put up here, the blue around the stripes here around the stool top. So I'm still working on all those colors, and I'm still going to have to paint all the spindles. And I'm not sure what I'm going to do with them yet, but I'm thinking about it, and it's coming along really well. But mostly, I'm not turning into a ghost. That's awesome. And I also figured out how to get this new app Video through iCloud onto my iPhoto, which goes into my iMovie, so I can edit my movies. I'm learning. That's a lot to say for a 75-year-old woman trying to do something she's never done in her life. So I'm gonna go and work some more, and then I'll come back and maybe tell you how I did a few of these things. Okay, bye-bye.
Dog on a bone, I'm a dog on a bone. Whatever I put my focus on, it will get better. I'm a dog on a bone, I'm a dog on a bone. Whatever I put my focus on, it will get better, better, better. Ooh, diversity's the reason we can't be creators in this life of eternity, eternity. There's no rush, no rush, no rush. All we have is time. Lay it back, relax, just breathe, 'cause all we have is time. Dog on a bone, I'm a dog on a bone. Whatever I put my focus on, it will get better. I'm a dog on a bone, I'm a dog on a bone. Whatever I put my focus on, it will get better, better, better. Ooh, the story I give will be a story I live, so I'm gonna tell my story in a way that feels better. That is okay, okay.
fast, wasn't it? Kind of an interesting way to show you what I did to this little bar stool, which is all done now, and it's really, really cute, I have to say. I've already started putting the clear coat on. I've just put one coat, so it actually doesn't photograph as well once it has that on there, because it's got this sheen everywhere. So I always photograph things before I put on the clear coat when they're dull, and then they photograph really well. And I'll have that at the end of this. So, but oh, it's stuck to the paper. Okay, there's the top. It's like a charger in my dining room on the table. I have 10 of them, painted 10, all different designs, and this is one of the designs that I love the most. And so we go to the underneath. I painted it yellow, like the sun shining down on my little tulips that are in the grass, and the sky and the clouds. Can you see that? See the clouds? Those are, oh gosh, celestial circles. Kim has killed me with the names of everything. Half the time I can't remember. But there are the dashing diamonds, and the royal squares, and the stately stripes, and then a 1,000 million dignified dots. And then there's the little squares, or even straw, I don't know what you want to call it, that are all around. The spindles that I did, I left the inside of them the color of the corresponding backside. I didn't do anything to them. But anyway, it's done, and I'm happy, and I'm really happy. You haven't even seen, I haven't even published the video that talks about, so much talks about my studio flooding, I don't think. Anyway, I've had a problem with this studio since I built it, with water coming in, and finally yesterday I hope and pray that they resolve the problem from the outside. And we'll see. I'm waiting for rain now. We'll see what happens. But this project is over, the Little Bar Stool, and you'll see pictures at the end of this video. And thanks for hanging in there with me. Bye-bye.